I was on the highway and my exhaust just got really loud all of a sudden. And I thought probably it was a clamp fix that I did. Well, I still really recommend these clamps. They come flat packed, like that'll be laid out flat, and you have to bend it around and clamp it in there. But boy, does it hold.
This isn't gonna stay.
Compared to any of those pipe wraps or putties, this really holds.
Yeah. Oh, this is gross. This is really gross.
But since it didn't hold this time, it slid. It was so loose it slid. So I'm going to tighten it more. And I think I'm going to drill a hole in it and put a pop rivet in it. Maybe both sides. And I think it won't fall off again even if it gets kind of loose. Yeah, I ended up putting 2 sheet metal screws in there instead of pop rivets because it kind of does everything in one step. And it's been, I don't know, 3 weeks, maybe a month. So I think that's going to work.
Nice.